Medical Tourism Corporation board-certified orthopedic surgeon from Mexico educates about hip joint replacement surgery. He has training and experience of working in Mexico, Germany, and the United States.
But we also have another joint, and it's called the hip joint. And let me show you some pictures of it. The hip joint wears off the head part, the ball part of the hip. And this ball part is called the head of a femur. And it should be nice and round, and it should have a nice white coverage on it. But with time and with impact, this coverage will wear off, and then you will have a problem that will need to have. We go back here to the anatomy of a hip, where we have a ball and a socket. Well, that should work smoothly. It shouldn't have any problems functioning. But once the cartridge wears off, then we have to replace that. And this is what we do. We put in a hip replacement. What it is, we resemble that ball and socket. The ball part is attached to a stem that goes down into the middle part of a femur, and the socket actually just fits inside the acetabulum. I'm going to show you that on a model that I have here, where here's how the materials look like. This is actually the stem that will go inside the femur, and this is a ball that will go on to this neck here. This here will go inside a socket. Here's the socket part, and here's how it normally should be assembled, just like that. Well, once this is worn out, this has to be changed, and we have to also put in a socket in this area called the acetabulum. So that socket just fits in there, and this new implant will just go right in here and will function. It will become part of a person, so a person can again do and walk and do all the things that you normally would like to do. I'll show you this picture again, where you can see how the hip replacement will look like once it's done. It would just be part of a bone again.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.